can't scrape that, so we put this. Yo, we are going out now. It is already 12, but yeah, 24. We are also going to eat. That's the priority. And then we're going to the shop. We're going to buy a new phone. I don't know. I don't know if it is going to rain today, but there is no rain in the forecast. But look at the sky. There's so much dark clouds. Yeah, there is the sign of it. It's going to rain. But yeah, we never know. Oh, we're going this way instead because we are going to Salamander Bay Shopping Square. In my heart, in my soul, you're the meaning in my life. You're the inspiration. It's feeling to my life. You're the inspiration. Oh, we're going this way. Hold you when you're down, sharing every moment. I want them. And we are now here. Yeah, that's the basketball court. Like what I've said to you before, that there's no so much basketball court here in Australia. What the more they have is the football rugby field. Also swimming pool. There are so many swimming pool around. Almost in every town there is a swimming pool. It's a field. Okay, now we are going to eat first in the Thai restaurant. Oh, how come? Looks like they are closed already. Okay, we're going to leave the bike here. Oh, I actually put this a while ago when I was in the house and I forgot to take it out. It's a Coca-Cola. Yeah, I saw in the video that Coca-Cola can remove the rust, but it doesn't. Yeah, we're going to eat in this Thai restaurant. Yeah, and then I'm going to have this. This is one of my favorite Thai food. The one with the pork belly and this kind of vegetable. If you've seen my bike packing, I always eat something like this. This is delicious. One rice is not enough for me. That's why I ordered extra one. Okay, we are now here. And we are going to just have a look inside. I know that you can see the broken glass, right? Yeah, I actually asked the repair shop how much is the repair. I meant to change the glass. It's 180. We are in Aldi and the only special that they have are the winter things.
I'll grab it.
I'm going to take two of this toothpaste. This is just $1.49 compared to Colgate $5.99, 2 pieces. And we are also going to take one of this. This is just $2.29. The soap I currently have in the house is the Palmolive. Yeah, that's why after shower I feel like I smell like a Filipino. Yeah, we are going to Harvey Norman to check that Samsung Galaxy S21 ultra expensive, man. Oh, if you can see that building, yeah, it's already ready. Yeah, I think they just need to open. Actually, that's the tape. You know, the technical school here in Australia. Maybe in the coming school year they are going to open. I'm not sure. Yeah, I got it. Yes, Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Because of 2 months ago flood, until now the road is closed on that side. And this is how it is at the moment. There are some people on the water. They are fishing. Yeah, the sun is going to set down there later, around 4:30, before 5 o'clock. Yeah, I thought I am going home now, but then I realized that I don't have sugar in the house. Okay, so we are now here in the park, and this is where we are going to unbox this. At the moment there are some people around here. but not too much. There are cars, and yeah, there are some people down there in the water. Oh, actually we moved to that side because yeah, against the light on that side will be, I think it's good. I am actually tempted to go home already, but yeah, the time is still early and it is beautiful day, so we're going to unbox it. Someone just leave this cup of coffee in here. Oh, we maybe are moving to that other table on that side. If you remember before that I am working always in the night, I always sit down here. Here is good, you see the water, you can actually just get down, go down there and swim. Okay, so this is going to be my first Android phone. The first phone that I have was a Nokia, and most Nokia before are Symbian OS, not Android, not Apple OS, but Symbian OS. Yeah, the latest one that I had was the Nokia N72. Actually, that's the first one, the one that I used for vlogging. Because you know, I have been making video, I have been vlogging since 2007. Yeah. And then after Nokia, I had my first Apple iPhone, which is the iPhone 4S. Yeah, what convinced me to buy that iPhone 4S is the camera. And after iPhone 4S, I have 5S. And then after 5S, I have 6S. I didn't upgrade to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Until 12, I was not convinced by the feature. Yeah. And now that my iPhone 6S is broken, you can see all the cracks. I can't actually, when I touch it, I feel like some brittle of the glass is losing. So yeah, that's why I bought a new one. And I don't know, I like Apple because you know, Apple is very like intact. Every application is working very well. Yeah, and based on my experience with the Symbian OS with Nokia, yeah, it depends on the compatibility. I think for Android, because the Android has different brand of mobile phone, so they are different software, different hardware, but the operating system is the same. So there is something like a compatibility issue. I also consider to buy the iPhone 11 or iPhone 12, but they are still expensive, more than $2,000. Oh, right away. And I noticed that there is a scratch. I tried to remove it by my saliva, but I think that is just the screen. This one. Yeah, it's just this plastic. Oh, it's big. Very much different the size. That's why I like this, the iPhone 6s. Actually, I like the iPhone 5s. That is the small one. Okay, totally open now. This one at the back, I don't know what is this. Oh yeah, there is another protection here. And this is it. They said it's a 2 years warranty, company warranty, Samsung. And it comes with this SIM card ejector. Or it comes with the USB-C. Both sides are USB-C. And some quick guide. That's it. There's no charger. Welcome. Okay, so yeah, this is how it is at the moment. The sun is going to sit down there. We go now. We are going through this way because we are also going to do some pictorials using my new mobile phone. We go first to the grocery. We buy sugar and something else, and then we go home. Oh, this is how it is at the moment. This is probably one of my very first time to see in this area that the sun is sitting down there. Yeah, nice. But we're not going to wait for that. It's really beautiful, especially later when the sun is down on the mountain. Okay, we are now here in Albura Marina, and yeah, the sun is already down in the mountain. There are many people fishing on the other side. Yeah, really beautiful. I already got this mixed seafoods and this bok choy. Yeah, this seafoods is $4.69 and this bok choy is maybe $2.50. I'm not sure. Where's the sugar? Oh, and the other side. Where's the sugar? Okay, we're going to take this. This is just $2.65. Yeah. How much? Feels like yeah, it's 1 kilo. Oh, it's dark now. And look at this. There is one nice looking electric bike here. Yeah, it's almost like a motorcycle, but there's a pedal. Nice. Yeah, we're home. It is already yeah 5:20.